I get to check out a Purple Nebula Majesty guitar. And this guitar that I'm holding in my hand was literally made for John Petrucci and was supposed to be delivered to him. Before we begin, I want to give my sincerest thanks to Jared for letting me check out this guitar. I know how special it is to you, and I'm honored to be able to share it with my audience and the world. So this guitar has a really cool story. Jared ordered it off of Reverb in April 2023. As he was browsing the listing, he noticed that something was missing, a signature on the back of the guitar. So he ordered the guitar and then started asking the seller questions. After the guitar arrived, he called up Ernie Ball Music Man, and even they had trouble verifying the serial number. And that's because this guitar came off the line in December 2019 before number 1 of 150 6-string Purple Nebula limited edition guitars were made. Within a few weeks, Jared was provided a certificate from Ernie Ball Music Man stating that this guitar was not part of the limited 150 run, but was created for promotional purposes and pictures ahead of the limited production, and then was supposed to go to John Petrucci. Music Man's official records indicated that the guitar was loaned to a specific music store for the promotional stuff, but it never made it back to the manufacturer. I even have the certificate of authenticity right here. And here's what it says. This document certifies that the instrument listed below is an authentic Majesty Purple Nebula 6 guitar. Further, this instrument was created ahead of the launch for marketing and promotional purposes and is not included in the limited number release. It was crafted with the absolute greatest of care and precision, using only the finest materials in the best traditions of Ernie Ball Music Man, signed Scott Ball. Lucky enough, Ernie Ball said that he could keep the guitar as they had already made a replacement Purple Nebula for John Petrucci during the 3 years that this guitar went missing. That means that this is among the very first Purple Nebulas to ever come off the line. It's got Dreamcatcher and Rainmaker pickups, and what really makes these models special is the alder wings. Since the Tiger Eye Majesty came out, we started to see more of these Majesties incorporating alder wings, which really gives a great and unique tone. I already did a deep dive comparing a Sterling Majesty, Sterling X DiMarzio, a 2018 Music Man Majesty Monarchy, and a 2023 Music Man Majesty, but how does it compare to the Majesty, the true king of all of them? How does it sound and play? Let's find out. I'll be playing through the same sounds as my last video. That's my Fractal FM3 and my rock tone built on the Friedman HBE V1 amp and 4x12 USA trad cabs. The clean tones are based on the Band Commander preset, plus a few effects. At the end, I'll also do a quick demo through the Neural DSP John Petrucci model. Okay, so I was wrong. Tone woods absolutely do matter, and I should be talking about them a whole lot more. This guitar is clearly special and among the best of the best. There's something unique about this guitar, even between other Majesties. While all of them sparkle, this one has a special way that it just develops the harmonics that makes it totally effortless. The woods make a major difference in terms of homogenizing and rounding out the sound, and I really hope you get to try one of these because wow, is it a special experience. If you're wanting to get something similar, Jared tells me the next closest thing is the Tiger Eye or Crystal Amethyst. So keep your eyes peeled for something used because it's definitely worth the extra cost. And now, as a bonus, here's some of the John Petrucci Purple Nebula Majesty playing through the Neural DSP modeler.
Saved. Until that moment.